Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. It's Jacoby. So I woke up like maybe 45 minutes ago and I just brushed my hair as best as I could. It's really like not doing well right now, but I just got it out of my face, tried to detangle it as best as I could, whatever. Yeah, so good morning. I'm gonna vlog today. I don't know why, I just want to. I have a lot of errands to do today. It's my day off, so it's 9:17 right now and I'm about to go to the ATM and film a little video because I like the budget, so whatever. Y'all probably don't care about that, but ow! You always hit myself in the mouth. About to go to the ATM real quick and then run back, film a video, and I'm gonna get ready, but I'm gonna show you all my outfit. Actually, I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet, to be honest. And yes, I literally have a whole light on my camera. See, but okay, there, y'all can kind of see my fit now. This shirt is LSU Club Volleyball, go Tigers, and then these shorts are from Target. They're like the Skims dupe. I really want the Skims version though, but these are so cute and comfortable. So yeah, it says it's like 60 degrees outside, so I'm gonna see what I want to wear. Ow. Sweatpants? Yep. So I'm probably just gonna wear these gray Nike sweats. I might as well just put them over. Oh, I'm just gonna put them over my pajamas because, like, I don't really care. I'm probably just gonna wear this to be real because it's like whatever. No one cares. Okay, and then a pair of socks. I literally wear the same socks pretty much every day. Like these. Like, pretty sure I got them from like TJ Maxx or something. And I'm just gonna wear this because why not? Why not? Okay, let's go downstairs. These are my shoes. I pretty much wear them like every day. And yes, I wear them with socks. Okay, you know, if someone's looking at my feet that hard, that's their problem. But these are like, ow, did y'all hear that? That's my ankle. These are so dirty and beat up. I really need a new pair, but yeah. Oh, okay, I'm recording. Hi guys! So, right now I'm driving to the ATM on base just because I'm not going all the way to Navy Fed. I'm not doing that. I'm also filming a TikTok vlog at the same time as this vlog, so it's like, how am I juggling that? But yeah, I'm gonna run over to the ATM real quick and then we'll get started with our day. I'm so excited because we are going to Costco today. And I love Costco. I love Costco so much! So yeah, I'm going to the ATM right now. I'm definitely not supposed to be vlogging and driving, so... Okay, just got done filming my little budget video. Look at my little budget binders, aren't they so cute? But now I'm headed to Costco. I don't even know what time it is. It's 10:23, so we're still making decent time. I have all my envelopes right here to go spend. And yeah, we're gonna go. And I'm hungry. I want a hot dog. If you know, you know. Costco hot dogs are the best. Okay, so second stop on the little tour. My hair looks so bad. Also, you guys, so when I was walking out of Walmart, there's like a person like asking for donations, and he was like, "Would you like to help, sir?" And I was like, "Sir, do I look like y'all? Do I look like a man? Let me know." Actually, don't let me know, because that will hurt my feelings. Anyways, so I went to Sally's because I needed some hair stuff. Always get your receipts because you want to scan it and fetch, and you can use my referral code and we can both get points for free. And basically when you scan your receipts, like any receipt, it doesn't even have to be one where you spent money, like you can go to the bank and take out money and get a receipt, scan it, and you'll get points, and those points can add up to like gift cards, which is like, that's so amazing. It's like free money. So I went to Sally's because I need some stuff for my hair, and I used my beauty budget, which is right here, beauty. And I got two things. I needed some hair clips to like keep my hair out of my face when I'm doing it because my hair is really thick and it just falls and it's just really hard to keep track of and hard to like, yeah, okay, anyways, y'all don't care. These. And then I also got some more hair ties because I only own like one, and then I found a random one in my backpack. So yeah, I got more. So total, wait, where'd my receipt go? I don't know how much I spent. Total, it was like, what, $8? No, $7.31. Okay, cool. Now, we are on to the Costco's, and then, as you saw in the first clip, I went to Walmart and got some fat-free cheese for my husband, because he likes fat-free cheese, so I'm like, okay, whatever. So, we're gonna put this in my backpack. I got a bag because y'all, they charge you for bags in California, except they didn't charge me for this one. I was like, you're a goat. So let me mark some stuff off my list because I got my I forgot to get a spray bottle. That's what, bruh. Okay, well that's okay. I'll just have to. I'm not going back in there because I really don't feel like it, but I probably should. 1 second. God. Oh, okay, you guys. I'm back, and I got what I actually needed. This time, my second purchase, I spent $7.63, and I needed like a hair, like a scalp applicator, you know, like. Anyways, y'all probably did not need a demonstration for that. And then I needed another spray bottle, so I just got the zebra print one because it's different than my other one. And the other one I got was super expensive. Like, I mean, it was expensive in Alabama when I bought it the first time. It was like $8, but here it's like $10. I was like, I know it's only a $2 difference, but, you know, hear me out, okay? Now I am going to Costco. Hello, there's this old lady staring at me. Stare at me one more time. Just kidding. Anyways, okay, bye! This song is amazing! Oh, Ophelia. Okay, you guys, just got down to the commissary. I didn't film in there because, like, that's awkward. But got most of the groceries back there. I may or may not give you a haul. My kitchen is, like, nasty looking, so I probably won't give you one. But now we're gonna head over to the PX real quick and pick up some things for my husband. And we're gonna go home because I'm hungry and eat some spaghetti and I need to edit. So, yeah. Okay, so here's the tea. At the gas station, I'm vlogging, even though I'm on a military base, so I feel like really awkward and kind of scared. But I wasn't gonna get gas, because I was like, I should stop being lazy. So here I am. And also, gas in California. I don't know, I keep talking about this, even though some of y'all are probably from California, but like, it's like, what? $4.39 for like regular gas. And I'm like, but me being from Alabama, obviously, I'm like, I'm getting robbed. But I think that's actually kind of good for California right now. SoCal, so yeah, that's the tea. And I'm going home after this. I got all my groceries, everything, and I'm ready to go home. Okay, I am home now, finally. So I'm going to unpack my car. Just montage it, obviously, because it's gonna take me 10,000 years. So I'm just gonna prop it all up real quick while I unpack everything. Give me a sec. I might give y'all like a haul, maybe like a Costco haul or a commissary haul. I don't know. What do y'all? I might just do it and live with the consequences. Why is this so zoomed in? Is it? Okay, that is literally everything. I'm gonna give you all a big haul. I'm not gonna show the dishes right now because they're bad. Let's see, where am I gonna prop you up? Maybe in the medicine cabinet? It's a little high, huh? Maybe this one. Good old cabinet space. Lower? Yeah. Okay, great. Grocery haul time. Oh, let me shut the door. Okay, you guys, let's start with Costco. So first I got these tortilla strips. I guess we'll just put these on top of the fridge. Next, I got my husband's protein bars, the Pure Protein 23 count bars from Costco. They changed their packaging. I was like, what the heck? My camera's gonna die. No! I gotta hurry. Egg whites, and if I don't finish this, so sorry. Queso. A big thing of beef for my husband. I don't eat beef, but this is for him. Maybe I just shouldn't put it up now. Cheddar Jack cheese. Maybe I should just show you guys instead of showing you individually. That'll go faster. So also from Costco, I got some gallon waters and regular bottled waters, toilet paper, and some almond milk. Let me give you a rundown of what we got at the commissary. And yeah. Oh, I also got things at the PX, but who cares about that? It was only like 2 things. So we got some turkey bacon, 3 things of frozen mozzarella, like garlic bread, whatever. Wonder bread, almond milk. Got some Simply Spiked lemonade. My husband and I really like those. By the way, I'm 23, just so you know. My husband's 22, so period. Cream of mushroom. I got a 4-count cream mushroom. Got some hash brown potatoes, some eggs, tortillas, 3 bags of frozen chicken breast, some canned green beans, canned enchilada sauce. Got some sugar-free maple syrup from my, or not maple syrup, sugar-free syrup from my husband. Got this guacamole salsa from this brand. I love it. We got the G Hughes sugar-free sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. My husband like drinks this stuff. Got some ragu. Got some shrimp. I think it's deveined, tail off. Yeah, peeled. Got these crispy French onion things, you know. And by the way, Freedom's Choice is the store brand for the commissary. So it's like equate to Walmart. So it's like Freedom's Choice is to the commissary. So, and then I got Smart Pot for my husband. And I got like 4 packs of different noodles. I got like linguine, angel hair, and some of it's over there too. Drinks. My husband loves diet soda like I was saying, and I like Powerade, so I just got a bunch, and he also ends up drinking the Powerade too, so got a bunch of different assorted ones. These were like 96 cents or something on sale, so I was like, okay. And I got some zero ones just so he can try them. Okay, maybe you'll like them. And I got all diet soda, so I got Sprite Zero, Diet Dr. Pepper, Diet Coke caffeine free, Diet Pepsi, Coke Zero, Diet Mountain Dew, 2 Diet Mountain Dews, and 1 more Diet Dr. Pepper. And then I got some goldfish. I love flavored blasted goldfish. And then back here I saw some candy for me. I got some regular M&Ms and then like these Airhead Extremes. And for anyone who cares, I'll show you what I got from the PX real quick. I just got 2 things. I really didn't think it was terribly important. But I got some Fabulosa, I think that's what it's called, Fabulosa. Yeah, we just need to like dilute this and then we can put it in our Swiffer. So I got some of this. And then I got, oh no, where is it? Okay, I got a CR2032 battery because my key fob is dead. So this is the battery that goes in the RAV4 key fob. If you didn't know that, now you know. So yeah, that's what I got. That's my haul, you guys. And now I'm gonna get all my change together, my receipts, and just scan things and put things up. And I need to start editing, so I'll probably pick up the vlog later. Okay, so since I've been gone from the vlog, I have made the bed, did some laundry, did the dishes, cleaned the kitchen, put out the groceries, all that stuff. Now, why did I just turn off the light like an idiot? My bad. I just took off my sweatpants and now I have like my little sleeve shorts on. It's hot. It's so hot in here. I'm gonna do some of the budgeting stuff I'm supposed to do, and I need to edit a video. So yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. I'm so tired. Oh, I need to eat. So I'm gonna eat some turkey spaghetti that I made a couple days ago. Delicious. Hey guys, so it's much later in the day. It's 5:51 now. I just got done with all my work. I just edited my 2 YouTube videos. Edited all my TikToks, uploaded to Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, duh. So now I'm gonna go hang out with my husband. It's already 5:51 and we're gonna watch some basketball games. It's the Heat, Knicks, Warriors, Lakers. So yeah, we're really excited, and I know he's just downstairs probably watching Star Wars or something. So yeah, I also started some chicken in my crock pot. I'm gonna make some enchiladas, I think, or I'm gonna attempt to make enchiladas. They have about an hour and 52 more minutes left to cook in the crock pot. And then the chicken will be done, and then I'll make little enchiladas and put it like in my little baking dish, and I think that's it. Maybe, I don't know, I could be very much wrong. But yeah, I am tired. I've done a lot today, but I've gotten a lot done, so I'm really happy with that. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna go downstairs, and I am proud of myself because it was a big content day and your girl got it done. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I'm gonna continue vlogging throughout the night, hopefully, just a little bit. Oh, I just hit you on my little tripod. Yo, my space buttons are messed up. Anyways, it would be helpful if I turn my car on. So I'm about to go to the commissary again because I forgot a few things, and also my husband wants an energy drink, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go get that for him right now since we literally just live a hop and a skip away, so no big deal. I'm gonna make enchiladas tonight. I'm so excited, but I don't know what kind I'm gonna make. But anyways, BRB BFFR. What does that spell? Beep. Sorry. Hey guys, I forgot to keep vlogging, of course. Watching Lakers Warriors right now. I made some enchiladas. I don't know if they turn out good. I'll let you be the judge. I was just gonna pan up like this. Y'all hear a fan? It's so loud. But good night. It's time for me to go to bed. It's 9:48. I'm tired. I've done a lot today. So yeah, just on here to end the vlog. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.